we are on project screen. If you are not on the screen, you can go to enterprise and then click on projects. Once again, go to enterprise, click on projects. You will come to this screen. So make sure all of you are on this screen now. If not, please ask me. कोई हूँ हाँ कर दिया करो यार.
जी सर, ओपन कर ले.
कर ले. Okay, great.
Yes, we are on the project screen.
Okay, thank you. Okay, if there is an echo coming, that means you are logged in on multiple devices. So it's better if you keep only one device. Okay, now here you see one plus button. Right? One plus button here. This is for new project. So please click on that. Someone on the group requesting for the Zoom link. Can someone please share again? Although I have sent it to him on personal message already before the class, but still he is asking. So can you please share the Zoom link in the group again? Okay, when I click on this plus button, it will show me this screen. Select EPS. What is EPS? EPS is like a department. That in which department or which team or sub-team you are going to create a project. So I will explain it later that how to create a new department or how to create a new team. At this stage, it is not important for our discussion at this moment. So whatever is coming by default, leave it. So select. Yes, please.
Where's the plus button, sir?
Here on the top. Do you see this? I will show you again. If you are on enterprise project screen, right? Click somewhere, anywhere here. Then you will see on the right side this plus button. Priyanta, can you see it now?
Yes, sir, I'm seeing.
Okay. You're welcome. So when you click on this, you will get the screen select EPS. So whatever it is selected here, leave it and click on next. So although these steps are very small, but I will keep giving some gap, pause, so that most of you can follow. So like 5 seconds, 10 seconds gap I will give in case if you want to write also, in case you want to follow also. So now we are on a screen which is named as create a new project. This is our beginning. And we have project ID here and project full name here. So now refer to the diagram I shared in the group, WhatsApp group. We will write COAB, Construction of Administration Building 25 November. This is the project ID and I will write the full name, Construction of Administration Building 25th of November. After that, click on next button. When you click on next button, it will show you planned start date must finish by. Leave this field must finish by. Do not enter anything here. Only mention planned start date. By default, it will get the today's date. But sometimes we are making a project for future. So maybe you can say 1st of January 2023, or maybe we are entering a plan in Primavera which is already in progress. So maybe you can say 1st of July 2022, so you can change it. How to change it? Just click on this 3 dots button. It will open the calendar. And you are familiar with this calendar tool. It is available in so many other applications also. So nothing complicated. You can select a date from past also. You can select a date from future also. You can select a date of present also. After that, if you go to next, there are so many other fields which you can fill, but do not go to this. Just click on finish button. So when you click on finish button, you will notice a new project created here with the ID I have given.
सर मस्ट फिनिश बाय में कोई डेट नहीं डालनी अभी
बिल्कुल नहीं डालनी, अभी भी नहीं डालनी, बाद में भी नहीं डालनी. ये सारा प्रोजेक्ट जो है ना हिला के रख देगा. ठीक है, सो डेट्स के कंस्ट्रेंट्स नहीं डालने. So basically, as it is छोड़ के finish कर देना. That is basically by default what we are doing forward planning. That if we start on this date, then according to the activity's critical path when it will finish. When you give a must finish date, that means now you have a deadline. Now you have to do backward planning.
एक्सक्यूज सर, मैं थोड़ा सा लेट था, तो इसमें
जी.
कुछ आपकी क्लास सुननी है या कुछ एक्टिविटी करनी भी है कुछ?
आपकी मर्जी है यार, एक्टिविटी
नहीं,
मैं
नहीं
तो
सर,
अपनी तरफ से करवा ही रहा हूँ.
नहीं सर, आप
ठीक.
करवा रहे हैं, मैंने मिस हो गया था, मैं को 10-15 मिनट सब
मैं
क्योंकि नमाज पढ़नी चलेगा.
मैं माफी चाहता हूँ, कल से मैं
माजरत है
टाइम
आपसे.
पे आऊँ.
नहीं नहीं
नहीं
सर, नहीं,
कल.
मैं टाइम पे नहीं था.
अच्छा,
सॉरी.
नो प्रॉब्लम. जी जी बिल्कुल, आपने इंस्टॉल कर लिया होगा, इसको
जी,
करना
इंस्टॉल कर
शुरू
ली.
कर दें. ठीक है, अभी ज्यादा फिल्म चली नहीं है, तो अभी भी चांस है कि आपकी स्टोरी समझ में आ जाएगी. ठीक है, सो जस्ट इन केस यू और समवन एल्स कुड नॉट फॉलो, आई विल डिलीट दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड आई विल क्रिएट वंस मोर.
थैंक यू सर.
So what we did so far, what we have done, we just opened the Primavera. We did file close all, number 2. Then we went to enterprise projects, number 3. Then on this screen, we clicked anywhere. Because when you click, then this plus button will become enabled. And then you will click on this plus button, or you can do Control plus N. That is also going to create a new project. So both options are there. So when I click on this plus button, a new screen will open, create a new project. Here I said select EPS, just leave as it is, nothing to change here. Then click on next button. Here in the WhatsApp group, I have shared one picture. Project ID I have given, project name I have given, start date I have given. So just copy the same from here. Project ID was CEO construction of administration building, 25th of November. That is the project code. Now the full name, construction of administrative building, 25th of November. Then click on next button. Here, do not give must finish by, just give planned start by. I am giving the today's date only. Click on finish button. That's it. Any question or confusion so far? from anyone?
No.
Okay.
Sir, okay from
Now,
my side.
okay, thank you very much. Now what we will do, select this. Maybe you will find difficult to locate it, right? So that depends when you clicked on this area, in which branch you clicked, and then you created that project. So just locate here, and you see these folders. These folders are icons of projects. So this is all the sample data we installed. When we installed, there was load sample data. So these are all projects, existing projects, already in the sample data. And here you can see total activities. So if you want to see some existing project, you can open this with 131 activities. This is with 98 activities. So any project you like, you can right click and open. Here, these projects are closed, and you see this is slightly different folder style. That means this is right now the project which is opened. It's a very small thing, but can lead to blunders. As I told you, by mistake, you can start working on a wrong project. You can be fired because of that from your company, right? So be careful. This is the project we are working on. And same thing is written here on the top also, that this is the project right now opened. So please cross verify that is it same project on which you want to work on, or maybe by mistake some other project. So ID is also coming here, and the full name is also coming here, and the folder style is also opened. Select the project you want to work on, right click and click on open. Please do it now. So when I click on, right click on the project name and click on open, it will show me this activity screen. All of you are here. If someone was unable to do that, please ask me again. Now, what step we are supposed to do from your PMP knowledge? We have created the project. What shall we do?
Create WBS.
Create WBS. Very good. So by default, whenever you open a project, it will take you to the activity screen. But we are not supposed to create activities right now. We are supposed to create a WBS. And what WBS I